Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase L-Arginine safely. Start by checking with your doctor before changing supplements or trying new regimens. Focus on safe, legal approaches like diet, approved supplements, and professional guidance. I will outline food sources, typical supplement dosages, interactions to watch, and when to seek medical advice. This video aims to help you make informed choices without risky home synthesis or unsafe experiments. Natural dietary changes are the safest way to raise L-Arginine levels, and they often improve overall nutrition. Add lean meats, poultry, nuts, seeds, legumes, and dairy to meals to increase intake. Combining protein-rich foods throughout the day supports steady amino acid availability. I will mention portions and sample meal ideas that balance taste and nutrition while avoiding unnecessary risks from unverified DIY chemical processes or unregulated compounds. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so pick up Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, bold scent that perks you up between labs and life. It's a small comfort that pairs well with healthy routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When considering supplements, choose brands with third-party testing and transparent ingredient lists to reduce risk. Start with the lowest effective dose and monitor for side effects like stomach upset or changes in blood pressure. Avoid combining L-Arginine with incompatible medications without medical approval. If you have heart disease, take blood thinners, or have chronic conditions, speak to a clinician before using supplements to keep everything safe and effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.